Hey guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'll teach you how you can log into Paycom as an employee, which basically houses employee payroll information such as benefits elections, direct deposit amount information, garnishment management, payroll cycles, and more. The process depends on the organization's needs, but can be simplified to taking information and approving amounts. It's that easy. So first things first, you need to search for Paycom on Google. After that, you will be able to see a link that pops out at the top. Once you click there, you will be redirected to the official site of Paycom where you can see the login option at the top right corner. When you click there, you will see three login options: client, employee, and accountant. We're going to log in as an employee this time, so let's click on it. Now, you will be able to see a login form where Paycom asks you to input your username that you used during registration, your password, and the last digit of your SSN, which stands for Social Security number, which you can obtain from the Social Security office, or you can also enter your 4-digit PIN. Finally, you need to click on Login once you have completed filling up with your credentials. Then you will be able to log in. If you have forgotten your password or username, then you can click on Forgot Username and Password on the screen just below the login, and you will be able to solve it. So, this is how you can log into Paycom as an employee. And if you still face any problem, you can just comment down below, and I'll try to help you. If you think this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Till then, bye-bye.